Good morning, everybody. Welcome. I'm just about to go on a hike over by Mount Wilson in Arcadia, but before I do that, I need to get a little bit of breakfast in my body. So I've parked right next to the trailhead, and I'm gonna go ahead and cook up some food. Check it out. First thing here, I've got my Orca cooler, and this keeps all of my food nice and cold. And if you open it up, got all sorts of goodies today. Got some cheese. I'm gonna cook up some eggs. Oh, I got kombucha. Definitely gonna drink some kombucha. So I'm thinking eggs, cheese, and some broccoli sounds good. So let's see what we can do. And for this one, I'm gonna use 2 stoves. I'm gonna use this little mini stove, kind of attaches right there, to boil the broccoli in. And then I've got the Coleman 2-burner stove, which I'll cook my eggs in. Looks like when it's all set up. We've got the little propane tank attachment right there. But I got this handy little Stanley pot I use. I just kind of drop it on there and it lets things boil real fast. So I'll boil the broccoli on there and I'll just go ahead and put the eggs on there and it'll be nice. We'll go ahead and close the lid. So, close the lid and we'll let that steam. Put my eggs in there. Cool, so we're all done. I got the eggs, some avocados, the broccoli, some cheese, and then a little bit of kombucha. And boom, we'll call that breakfast. Almost forgot the most important ingredient. Fuck. Oh yeah. Boom, that was an awesome breakfast. Thank you guys so much for checking out my channel. Make sure you subscribe down below if you like this content, and I'll see you next time.